Beautiful, isn't it? A lot of people or some of my friends that come to my house, they will always ask me, how do you do it that my orchids is always bearing flowers? Well, anyway, it's just so simple actually. I actually use some nutrients, some orchid fertilizers. And if you wonder what kind of orchid fertilizer, it doesn't matter. Just go to any plant boutique, plant stores, and just ask them. And they will love to answer you. Or, just ask Mr. Google. And you will have all different kinds of answers. Doesn't matter what kind of fertilizer. So I actually use some fertilizers. They are like in the form of a very small stick or tablet kind, and you just put them there, and every time you water, they will just produce this kind of liquid, or sometimes they just melt there, and there it goes. They are giving food to the orchids. And another thing, they have to be somewhere else where to get some sunlight. So this one, I actually can turn it around there. So as you see, the main position of this is like that. It's actually like that. So you can see that the flowers are actually, they usually go to the area where they get the sunlight. So of course, if you have visitors, all you do is just turn them around because you want your visitors to see them. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it's so beautiful. And we will put it back like that so that they will get the sunlight because that's what they want. And you water them. Of course, do not drain them. But what I will do, these orchids actually have this one there, that one. And it stands there up to here only. And down there, I actually use kind of material. I don't know how you call it in English. It's kind of made of like wood chips or something. But if you don't have it, no, this one, this is the thing I use. Like this. I don't know I forgot the English term of that. And that is what I have under there. You can also use stone so that the orchid pot is not really dripping under the water. So the water goes up there, and this orchid is only like up to here. And down there, you can put something, stones, whatever, that the water will stay there, so it can just also evaporate there. So you will minimize a rotten plant. So that's what I do with this orchid. So I actually have two of them, and I will show you. This is the other one. And yeah, it's always flowering all the time. See? So it's not actually something complicated. Some people think that when the flowers are gone, they throw it. A lot of people here in Sweden, they threw their orchids when these flowers are gone. They thought that orchid has only a year to bear flowers, and after that you throw them, which is very wrong, because when that one is gone, just cut it off. No, do not cut it off here. Of course, you can cut it off there, and then they will flower again. So just give them food and just give them water. And it's like that. They will love it. So I hope that you can actually learn from all these videos that I make. And I hope that you will also share and put a like and subscribe. And if you're a plant lover, then I would love, to be sharing to you. And I would love to see your like that. Beautiful. Every morning, when you wash your dishes here, it's like sometimes you're so tired, but if you look at all those orchids, it makes you feel good. And then you have also my laughing Buddha there. So the Buddha is laughing and just like, hey, laugh with me. Okay, this is Evelyn Siegelstrand of Libabuhay. Thank you for watching.